Welcome to Hunter House. My name is Kevin Baragon from your Hunter House sales team, and I'm here to introduce you to Streetside on the Inside, an inside look at the construction milestones of your new home. Over the next several months, you'll be receiving detailed videos outlining the different milestones of the completion of your new home. This way you too can be with us every step of the way of this exciting process. We believe sharing with you each construction stage of your new home will add to your confidence in not only what you see, but what you don't see behind the walls. Throughout the video series, Yan, your site supervisor, and Peter, your assistant site supervisor, will touch on important aspects of your new home, like the foundation, framing, rough ends, drywall, and during the final finishing stages of your new home. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some popcorn.
Hi there, I'm Yan Shedrick, and I'm with Streetside Developments, and you're at Hunter House right now. So welcome to Inside with Streetside. This is where we give you a little bit of an insight as to what we do here and how we do it in order for you to move into your new home.
Hi, I'm Peter, welcome to Hunter House. We're just going to show you part of the excavation here and some surveyor's points and just give you a bit of an idea of how it all works. These offsets here, this is what the surveyor's come along and he's put these marks down just so we've got something we can mark the building out of. There's another mark here and there's a pin and that'll set the height for it. Also, we've set out our deep services. So these services are under the ground so they don't get hit by the frost and burst, and they've basically just excavated all this ready for footings and then building the walls. I'll send you back over with Yan.
So we're going to start with building 8 here. This is your foundation, and essentially we are ready for backfill, and what we're doing right now is we're just preparing our dirt. On the other side we have a hole operator, and he's going to prepare our dirt for us. We've had a long hard winter here in Calgary, and we need to prepare the dirt, make sure that there's no moisture in it so we get a proper compaction number. So what we're doing right now is the excavator is fluffing the dirt. So think about it before you go to bed at night. You take your pillow and you fluff it, then you lay your head on it. It's nice and comfortable. So that's what we do with the dirt. We fluff it, we make it nice and non-moist, if you will, and then we put it in the hole and start compacting it. But essentially how we get here is we survey our properties and then we excavate, and afterwards we do our form work, and then we pour the concrete. So this is the stage where we're at. We're also doing some inspections, which is the last chapter before we backfill. And after that we're going to go into framing. We do have a code for excavation to go deep enough for frost coverage, and this is why, even though these buildings are slab on grades, we do have 4 or 5 feet of wall here so that we can have a frost coverage. So all this gets filled up after that for proper grade, and then we move on from that part. So right here we've got survey occurred, we've got form work that happened, and we've also included some mechanical works as well so that we can bring up all the sanitary and then the water supply for your house, as well as electrical. And once the forms are all done, on top of all this mechanical electrical work that's hidden underground, then we pour the concrete in the form work. And we've got a site going on as well next door that we can show you too. There's some concrete forms going up right now. So we were just talking about the foundation and all its components in order to get to backfill. So this is the form work. As you can see, we have all of our footings in place on the bottom of the excavation, and we have our form guys working on the forms. So this is one of the very important chapters in order to get the foundation complete. So as you see, they're just basically upstanding forms, and then they're putting re-still is what we call it. So these little guys right here, it's rebar. So that reinforces the concrete, make sure that your walls are nice and strong. So they do one side, get the steel in, and then they close it up, and after that we pour the concrete walls. And we're about 12 hours right now from pouring this section of the building.